So the much talked about Test cricket Sabina Park farewell for veteran batsman Chris Gayle will not happen, as the 39-year-old Gayle was left out of the West Indies 13-man squad named for the 2 Test matches against India. Personally, I was kind of indifferent to this one-off farewell Test match for Gayle. It would in no significant way derail or hamper the development of West Indies cricket. One Test match will rock the boat either way, and the West Indies not going to beat India anyway. In fact, West Indies' best chance of victory would probably be to play Gayle and hope that he tees off. Another issue in favor of the farewell for Gayle is that it will be more than likely a man and his dog who will be coming out to watch this Test match. And if Gayle's farewell is marketed properly, they could possibly get 2 men, 2 dogs, and maybe the puppy of the 2 dogs. Another thing, Chris Gayle is still a big star in India and the subcontinent. And the television audiences on the subcontinent would much prefer to see Chris Gayle back than any other player in this West Indies team. So looking at all these facts, I would be tilting towards giving the big man him farewell Test. It would not affect the fortunes of West Indies cricket, and it might have sold a few more tickets. So although it can't happen again because them leave him out, I was leaning towards the farewell. Yeah, man, me not lean towards it. Me not lie. The man deserves it, so me not lean towards the farewell. But it not